देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live and Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now, Twitter and two-way video conferencing. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. From today starts Kala Bhairava and Mahakali's energy. The great celebrations of Dhanteras and Deepavali starts. My blessings to all of you, Dhanteras blessings and Deepavali blessings. Today is an important day. Oklahoma, we are celebrating Kailasa in Oklahoma, the 12th anniversary of the temple. Actually, the Oklahoma Sangha started in 2003. 2003, I went to Oklahoma and started the Sangha. Temple we started 12 years before. Blessings to all the devotees. I accept all the offerings, cakes, everything. Blessings to Oklahoma Sangha. Blessings to all of you. Blessings. I can see the cake. Blessings. Blessings to the whole Oklahoma on this great 12th anniversary of the temple. That's so nice, wonderful. Blessings to all of you. Blessings to Oklahoma. Let Paramashiva manifest himself fully in the Oklahoma temple and in all your lives and shower you all with all the blessings. All the devotees who made the temple, my blessings to all of you, and let Paramashiva manifest in all your lives and bless the whole Oklahoma. Blessings. Understand? Temple is literally a spiritual atomic power station and spiritual NASA. Understand? The Hindu temple is not just a place where we gather to worship. It is not just worship altar alone. It's worship altar also, but not just worship altar alone. It is literally spiritual atomic power station and spiritual NASA. It can send you to the spiritual space Kailasa, and from there it can settle you down. Understand? I insist on having temple in every city. Abhayar says very clearly, கோயிலில்லா ஊரில் குடியிருக்க வேண்டாம். I used to have this as my lifestyle. Even now, I will not stay in a place where there is no temple. Any city I stay, my habit will be first early morning when I wake up, go to temple. I insist every one of our devotee makes temple in every city and every village. Understand, mainly I emphasize on our temple. Why? Because the deities are birthed properly. Understand, a deity, once it is carved in stone, it should be kept in sun and the moon in open, rain and shine for 10 months. These are all seasoning the deity with cosmic energy. If you see in our Adinams, once the deity is made, I'll be keeping it in open place in Bididi and in Trishulam Adinam, in Tiruvannamalai, in multiple places. We have different places for cosmic energy seasoning of the deities. Then it goes through Jalavasa, Danyavasa, Dhanavasa, all the traditional life-giving processes. Then the life is breathed into the deity. The Archavatara is born. Understand? The signs of Archavatara. God is available to us in 5 ways. Param. Param is the ultimate. He is beyond form, formlessness. Then Vyuham. Like how we say in Mahakailasa, Paramashiva is with 25 heads and 50 hands and 75 eyes. That form. In Vaishnava tradition, Vasudeva and the Vishnu in Yoganidra and Paramapadanadar. All these forms are Vyuham, the second level. Then Prabhavam as an incarnations who come down like Rama, Krishna. Paramashiva also has come down as an incarnation multiple times in multiple ways. Sundareshwara in Madurai, Arunagiri Yogishwara in Tiruvannamalai. So those forms. Then in the forms of acharyas, great incarnations, who come to teach you directly. Then incarnation, Archavatara, incarnation as deity. Understand? Archavatara is too important because Archavatara is immediately available way to connect with Parama, the ultimate. And Archavatara is the best way to make Hinduism available to the whole world. Understand? Rituals, festivals, celebrations, if you connect people to it, that is the best form of enriching. Then they will naturally start following Yogapada, Jnanapada, Kriyapada. Charyapada is the best introduction. Charyapada means sharing vegetarian meal, vegetarian prasadam. Inviting people to festivals, celebrations. This is my vision. Every Sarvanyapita, whether Oklahoma Temple, Kailasa in Toronto, Kailasa in Seattle, Kailasa in Houston, Kailasa in Los Angeles, Kailasa in Australia, Kailasa in Malaysia, for every Sarvanyapita and Kailasas, this is my vision. Every morning, you should invite people without caste, creed, difference. You should invite all beings. Involve them in the ritual. Understand? Our temples are installed. Prana Pratishta is done in such a way. The Utsava Murtis, you can make people offer milk, water on their own. You can make them offer milk, water on their own. Involve them in the rituals, sacred rituals. And every day or every other day we are having some festival. Hinduism is religion of festivals. Today is Dhanteras. Tomorrow is Amavasya, Deepavali. Amavasya and Deepavali together this time. Then day after tomorrow we have some other function. Then the next day Skanda Shashti Brahmotsavam starts. Or I think maybe day after tomorrow itself Skanda Shashti will start. Then 6 days Skanda Shashti Brahmotsavam. Then after the Skanda Shashti, immediately the Paramashiva Brahmotsavam will start. Kartiki Deepam. Hinduism is tradition of festivals and celebrations and rituals. Understand? This is my vision. Every day, you should invite all the local VIPs, important persons from the field of art, science, education, politics, in every field. Invite the VIPs. Invite important people. Make them participate in the morning satsang. Make them do rituals. Make them part of the rituals. Inspire them. Once you connect them to the deities, they will start enjoying Hinduism. I tell you, even our so-called Hindu devotees got introduced to Hinduism only through deities after I started introducing. Most of our Adinavasis and devotees, they say, Swamiji, first thing, we came to know about Hinduism only through you. And we started enjoying deities and connecting with the deities only after connecting with you. Understand? Deities are the best way to enrich people, and deities are the best way people can connect to the space of Kailasa immediately. Today and tomorrow, the intense energy of Kalabhairava and Mahakali. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate Kalabhairava and Mahakali. Get ready for Deepavali tomorrow. I'm in extreme samadhi and ecstasy. Intensely in samadhi and in ecstasy. Let's get ready for the great Deepavali celebration and to receive Kali and Kalabhairava's blessings and energies. Tomorrow we are going to have Kali Puja, and tomorrow is also the day when I settled after the first great pass. See, at the age of 21, I had a great pass. Now, again after 41, having the great pass. Like how I settled this time, same way that time, during the first time that great pass, I settled on Deepavali day. And that is why Deepavali is so special for Kailasa, for all of us. The Kalabhairava and Mahakali landed in this body after the first great pass. I should say after the great pass at the age of 21, they settled. After 21, on Deepavali day, Like Manikavasagar says, நல் இருளில் நட்டம் பயின்றாடு நாதானே. The நல் இருள், நல்ல இருள் அப்படின்னு மாணிக்கவாசக பெருமான் சொல்றது தான் டார்க் எனர்ஜின்னு இந்த காஸ்மாலஜிஸ்ட், சயின்டிஸ்ட், ரிசர்ச்சர்ஸ் சொல்றாங்க. இந்த நல் இருளில் நட்டம் பயின்றாடு நாதானே. பெருமான், நடராஜ பெருமான் இந்த நல் இருளிலேயே நட்டம் பயின்று ஆடுகிறார். பயின்று ஆடுதல்னா இந்த நடனத்தை அவருடைய பஞ்சகிருத்திய நடனம், சிருஷ்டி ஸ்திதி சம்ஹார திரோபாவ அனுக்கிரக, இந்த பஞ்சகிருத்திய நடனத்தை பயின்று ஆடுகின்றார். அப்படின்னா உருவாக்கி நடம் செய்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றார். Is manifesting and sustaining of this Panchakritya. So understand that energy is Kala and Kali. Let's all get ready to receive the blessings of that Kala and Kali. Today's my message is make as many temples as possible. Even if 10 devotees gather in one US city and decide to make a temple, just like that it can be done. 10 devotees commit. Few $100, rent a property. Now I am giving you the commitment. Anybody interested in running a temple, if you take the responsibility just to run, Kailasa will give you the deities as a gift. We will study the horoscope astrologically, the place you want to have a temple. Like for example, Houston, that's a space of air, Vayu energy. That's why I gave Kalastishwara. Seattle is the space of Akasha. That's why I gave Nataraja. Like that, we will study the space you want to make a temple, place you want to make a temple, and give the deities. I really want 1008 temples only in US and 108 in Malaysia alone. Each of you join with a small teams and start renting a place and start a temple. You can create I tell you, create a temple. Every satsang you sit in the temple and attend will become reality in you, because God happens as Archavatara. The deities in the temple is not stone, he is really alive. You can talk to them, you can relate with them. Hinduism knows the science of birthing God as Archavatara. You can connect, they respond. Every place you make a temple, that whole area will vibrate with such high energy. Crime rate will come down. Positivity will spread. I can prove with thousands of studies and examples. Wherever the temples are installed, crime rate comes down. People are living happily with good vibrations. Make more and more temple. Sadashivalayas, Sadashiva's temples. Anyone interested in temple, if you give us the commitment, you will be able to sustain it. Send an email to Kailasa. We will give the deities. Let's start the temples. Temples are the best way to enrich yourself with Kailasa and enrich others to Kailasa. The Charya Yoga means introducing lifestyle of Hinduism. Temples, distributing prasadam, sacred food, inviting people for celebrations and rituals. Once you introduce Charya Pada, lifestyle of Hinduism, Kailasa to people, then naturally people will get involved with Yoga Padam, yoga, and Jnana Padam, power manifestation and knowledge, and Kriya Padam, sacred rituals and connecting with the deities. People will get involved in everything else. So anyone interested in creating temples, email registrar@kailasa.org. I want temples to happen all over the world. All over the Europe, we should make at least 1008 temples. All over the US, we should make at least 1008 temples. Temples are the best non-violent way of spreading peace, love, enlightenment, and space of Kailasa. And space of Kailasa so essence of today's satsang is, let's make temples all over the world. Let's enrich the world through temples. Let's take the space of Kailasa to the world through temples. Deepavali blessings. Deepavali blessings to all of you. எல்லா அன்பர்களுக்கும் பக்தர்களுக்கும் சீடர்களுக்கும் தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Happy Diwali to everyone. Let's get ready for Diwali. I know everyone is in Diwali mood. So, this Diwali, let's plan for new temple. So by Jayanti, the temple will be ready. Let us start planning from now. 1008 temples in US, 1008 temples in Europe, 108 temples in Malaysia, and at least another 1008 all over the world, in all other parts of the world. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.